Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your designs in Canva, and I'll be showing you how you can do it so that you can get it back in Canva and make some changes later if you wish. And another way, I'm going to show you how you can save it to your computer, and we're going to start right away. Now once you're done with editing your designs in Canva, to save it just click on File, then from these options you will see Save, right? You need to click on it and your designs will be saved. But you also need to know that every time you make changes on your designs, without clicking on save, it becomes saved automatically. Now every time you sign into your Canva and you want to make some changes on your designs, on your Canva's homepage, just go to your left hand pane and click on projects right here, and your last and previous designs will be shown on your screen, just like mine here. So just go ahead and click on the design you want to be opened. Now once your design is opened, now to save it to your computer, just come up here in the top right hand corner of your screen and click on share. Then next you can choose the file type you want and size, right? Once you're done, just click on download and your design will be saved to your computer. So guys, that's how you can save your design in Canva. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.